You know, I haven't been doing many unboxings on my channel, so I think I kind of forgot how to do them. But anyways, this is Moe's newest 383. It's called the Weilong WR. WR standing for world record as well as without ridges. As you guys know, the GTS 3 came out like last year, and I think overall most people like the cube. It's just that some people didn't like the ridges, so this cube is for the ones that don't like the ridges. Anyways, this box is super nice. You just have each side, it says Moe, has a little outline of the cube over here, and let's open it up. So this is what's inside the box. I'm just gonna put it all down there. Moe card, Lucas Setter, instructions on how to install the cube. It comes with this accessory box, so just a bunch of random useless accessories that I'm never going to use. You guys might use it, I'm not going to use it ever, so I'll put that away. And then here's the cube. Alright, so physically it looks, I mean, it's the GTS 3. Just that it doesn't have ridges, which is kind of weird now. It feels really small. I remember like the GTS 3, I remember the cube felt kind of big because it had the ridges on there. And it felt like a 57 or 58 millimeter puzzle. But this one, you could tell that it's 55.5 millimeters. I think it's kind of scratched up for some reason. I don't know, like there's like some scratches on the plastic. It's kind of dirty. I don't know why, but sure, why not? Alright, first turns. Alright, out of the box, I really don't like it that much. Like, I get it, okay, I need to do like some more setting up and stuff, and then it could become a really good puzzle. But the thing is, like, the GTS 2M, I remember that cube out of the box was way better than this cube out of the box. And like, some people really like setting up puzzles. I used to, but now I don't. And I can see this puzzle taking a lot of setting up. But anyways, the turning is crazy fast. Magnets are pretty weak also, so like, it kind of overshoots a little bit. Like, you can see this, right? Like, so that's going to need some correction with some lube. It's also kind of tight, so like corner cutting isn't great right now, so it does lock up still. So if I were to make this cube my main, and if I wanted to set it up, I would probably have to like loosen this cube and then put a bunch of weight 8 and stuff like that. I see it having potential, but right now I don't like it that much. You know, the thing is, like right now when I think about 383s is that if you want to get 383, just get like the Yushin Kylin V2. Because it's $10, it was basically my main for a long time. It performs like crazy well. But if you really want to spend a bunch of money on something that's really premium, then just get a GAN cube basically. And I guess it's like a nice in between. But honestly, if I had a Yushin Kylin and I had this cube, I'd probably just go with the Yushin Kylin because I don't see the performance of this cube being much better than the Yushin Kylin, and also it's like $20 cheaper. So yeah, those are my thoughts. But anyways, that's my unboxing of the Weilong WR. If you want to buy it, the link will be in the description. Overall, I see it being a good cube. It kind of sucks out of the box, but personally, I wouldn't really buy it. I'd probably just go for Yushin Kylin, and if I wanted to like spend a bunch of money on a really premium 383, it'd just be a GAN cube. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.